Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a demo of Sara Cosmetics lip colors. I'll also be swatching all of them on my face as well as on my hands, and I'll also give a mini review about them. This brand kindly sent me 4 of their shades and also their pouch, which I'm in love with. I'm wearing it right now. You will see the demo soon, but I just want to say that these performed so well. I'll talk more about them in the review. So first let's start with the demo. So I've already done my base makeup. I haven't applied a foundation. I just applied concealer under my eyes and some concealer on the areas where I need some coverage, and also set my under eyes with powder, just a little bit of powder. There's no powder on the rest of my face because this is a creamy formula. It's gonna blend better when there's no powder. And I've also done my brows and applied some mascara. So first for my cheeks, I'll be using this shade called as Rice and Pink. This is my favorite shade among all these shades. It's a really nice rosy pink which I love, and it's perfect for cheeks. So I'm just going to apply 2 dots. A little bit goes a long way with this, okay? And blend it. You can use your fingers to blend it. You can even use a brush or a beauty blender, and it blends beautifully, okay? It does not look patchy at all. Since it doesn't dry down, you have a lot of time to work and really blend it out, because some lip tints, they dry down really fast, so you can't really blend it and then it ends up looking patchy. This does not do that. Look at how beautifully it blended. So this is with my fingers. I'll also show you the blending with a brush. So again, I have just put 2 dots and I'm using this foundation brush and blending it out. I love the formula of this, okay? It just blends so seamlessly. Now I'll show you how it blends with a beauty blender. So I'm just going to apply a little bit on my nose, a little bit on my other cheek. I prefer to blend with my fingers because I feel that blends the best for me. Your fingers are your best tools, really. I'll just apply a little bit more here since this side is looking more, and it is super pigmented, okay? So easy to blend. For my eyes, I'll be using this shade called as Sunday Nude. It's a beautiful nude shade. So I'm just going to apply a little bit on my eyelids and blend it out. It looks beautiful on eyelids and also on your cheeks and lips. So if you're going for a really natural look and you just want a little like flush of some kind of color, then this shade is perfect for you. Now onto the other side. I don't know why this brand is so underrated. This is beautiful, okay? And whatever's left on my finger, I'll also apply under my eyes, just for a little bit of color there. Now for my lips, I'll be using this shade called as Rust Hour Ruby. It's on the red side. Again, really beautiful shade. Just gonna apply a little bit in the center and blend it. If you apply more in the center, it will give like that Korean lip kind of effect. It's a beautiful shade. You can also apply more for more pigment. Now on top of this, I'll also use this shade called as Hustle Dust. Apply a little bit and blend it out. I want my lips to be more pink, so I'll also add this shade called as Rise and Pink, the same shade which I used on my cheeks, because like I love this shade, okay? You can definitely build them up. They are very, very pigmented. If you just want a little flush of color, you don't want a lot of color. If you want your lips to look natural, then you can just apply a little bit and then blend it out. It looks really natural that way. But if you want more pigmentation, you can definitely add more. And a little bit goes a long way, so it's gonna last you really long. So that was a demo on this makeup look. Now let's move on to the swatches so that you really see what the shades are like. So first I will show a direct swatch, and on side of it I will show a blended swatch so that you can see how it looks in both ways. And I'll also swatch it on my face so that you can see how the makeup looks like with that particular shade. The first shade is called Sunday Nude. This shade is perfect for those of you who are into nude colors. The next shade is called Hustle Dust. It's a warm brick kind of shade. This is perfect for those of you who are into warm tones and who like brick kind of shades. The next shade is called Rise and Pink. This is my most favorite shade among all these 4 shades. It's a nice rosy pink kind of color which will complement all the Indian skin tones, I feel. The last shade we have here is called Rush Hour Ruby. It's a dark red color, and if you blend it out, it looks really natural. Like it looks like you have natural red lips. So this brand is quite new. They launched last year, I believe. So the courier bag in which my products came, it's actually made of cornstarch. I would have shown it to you, but I kind of misplaced it after I opened it out, and they decompose within 90 to 180 days. And I really appreciate them using such packaging instead of plastic packaging. They also sent along this really cute pouch. How pretty is this color, right? It's kind of matching to the background light there. It's really very soft. It feels like I'm touching my cat. And it's faux fur, it's not animal fur, so it's vegan and 100% cruelty free. Okay, I'm definitely gonna use it more often because this is so soft. And now let's talk about their lip colors. And the lip colors are formulated with a combination of organic and food grade pigments which are clean and safe. They have a velvety finish and they are waterproof, and they use EcoCert certified ingredients, and they are PETA certified as well. So these are not just for your makeup purpose, these are really good for your skin as well. It has natural vitamin E which helps generate new skin cells, making your lips softer. It also has soya bean oil which retains lips' natural moisture and acts as a great antioxidant. I agree with the moisturizing part of it. It feels extremely moisturizing on your lip. It feels like I'm wearing a lip balm. I'm not wearing any highlighter, but it's still giving me a nice shine which I love. They're very comfortable to wear. It also has sunflower seed wax which gives that velvety texture, and it also has jojoba oil which has anti-inflammatory properties. So it prevents the lips from getting chapped. And they have done intense research behind every shade to make it as natural as possible, and I agree to them. All these colors look super natural once you blend it out, and they just have this perfect tone, you know, which I really need in lip colors and the colors which I apply on my cheeks and lids. They come in this really pretty and fun outer packaging, and the packaging looks really classy. It looks matte and it looks like classic liquid lipstick packaging, and it looks grey, and they have this leaves design on it which looks really interesting, and they have the brand name Sara written on it, and the shade name is written on the bottom. It has a doe foot applicator which makes it easy to apply it. The texture is quite creamy and it's a really high quality formula. This is not your regular liquid lipstick which will dry down and stay transfer proof throughout the day. If you apply a layer like this, it's gonna stay like that on your lips, so it's gonna feel really moisturizing. But if you want to make it long lasting, then you can blend it out, because when you blend it out, the wetness kind of goes and then the pigment stays on for a really long time. If you just apply a layer, if you're fine with it, like if you are into lip glosses and you don't really mind your lipstick transferring, then this can work amazing for you. But if you're into more transfer proof lipsticks, then you might want to blend it out because they do transfer. Very easy to blend. They don't look patchy at all. Usually some lip tints, they dry down really fast, so you have to work really fast, and in case you don't blend it out properly, it may look patchy. That's not the case with this one. You can take your time and you can easily blend it out. They are very blendable. Amazing formula, you guys, amazing. And once you blend it out, they last for a really long time. The pigment is super long lasting. And if you want a slight tint, then you can take a little bit and blend it out. If you want more pigment, you can apply more of it, and if you want to wear it as lipstick, you can directly apply a layer of it. You can build it up basically. These are extremely pigmented. My personal way of using it is apply a little bit and then blend it out. I don't apply a layer of it per se because that's just how I like it. It looks amazing on bare skin as well, and I've been really enjoying this makeup look a lot lately. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know this is my makeup most of the time. I just apply a little bit of concealer and just some color on my cheeks, lips and eyelids, and this is perfect for that. So I just take a little bit, I blend it out here, blend it out here, and I'm done. This is so easy to use. They also have more shades on the side. They told me to choose 4 shades, and these 4 shades stood out the most to me. That's why I chose these 4. And one lip color costs 1100. I know it's a bit expensive. They also have combos in which you can get it on a discounted price. I would highly recommend these if you're looking for multi-purpose lip colors. I do see myself using these more often because I love the quality and formula of of it, and I love this brand's values and what this brand represents. You can check them out on Instagram. They have amazing feed. And yeah, that was it for this video. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Saturday, and today's comment shout out goes to Mehjabeen. Thank you so much for your comment. And coincidentally, when I had put Instagram story of these lip colors, she had messaged me saying even she loves this brand. So yeah, her comment shout out was kind of appropriate for this video. And if you're not following me on Instagram, please follow me there. I do post more content there as well. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.